In this video, I will show you how to turn off location access in Gemini AI, or how you can find out if Google Gemini is using your precise location on your device, whether you are using Windows PC or Mac. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, then come to the top right here, click on this three dots, then come down below right here, go ahead and click on settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on AI in Chrome. Then go ahead and click on Gemini in Chrome right here, and here you go. Then scroll down right here, and then here we go. You can see permission right here. Precise location is being used by Gemini right here. You can simply turn off this toggle button right here, and with that, you have disabled precise location access by Gemini, and at the same time, you have found out if Gemini is actually using your precise location to protect your privacy and security in Gemini AI. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Gemini AI settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.